So hello, my name is Pascal. I'm product manager for Securiton in Switzerland, and I want to show you today some product news during the TechTalk for the FIREX, the virtual session. With me, I have Susan from the marketing department.
Thank you, Pascal. Also welcome from my side. And as I'm new at Securiton, I'm very curious to learn more about our products. Can you tell me what today's topic is that you're going to talk about?
So the first topic is here. It's our FidesNet solution. So FidesNet is the networking solution from Securiton. It's made out of a RCU. You can see it here, 7-inch touch display, and the NCU, the networking communication unit. It's the brain in the whole network. You can connect up to 100 ASTs and up to 50 RCU displays in one FidesNet. The whole RS485 cable can have up to 1000 meters and is also capable to communicate over TCP/IP to connect, for example, a building management system over Modbus. We can show you now as a live demonstration how it will look like when we have a fault or an alarm. So the product demonstration, you can see the device list, and all the connected ASTs are shown on this device list. Can be up to 100 ASTs. They are listed by the event urgency. So means I can show it when I put the smoke spray inside of the AST. You can see AST number 9 is in alarm, and the prioritization is now on top. So alarm event is a top event. So when you click on the AST number 9, you can see the detail view. You can see it's a channel 1, it's an alarm event, and the actual smoke level is around 50%. You can also do a reset of the alarm, and you can also do an isolation. This one is password protected if you want to have this, and you can see the isolation is done. On the next screen, you can see the trending view. Trending view is the live data. You can see the smoke I have injected to the ASD, to the ASD pipe, and you see up to 5 minutes in the past. The last slide is the event memory. So all of the events which are available on each ASD are listed. Pre-signal, alarm event, and also the isolation event I made before. So I go back to the dashboard. I remove the isolation. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the ASD is back to normal operation.
And hey Pascal, for my better understanding, what are typical use cases for FidesNet?
So typical use cases are access restriction. Means everywhere where a technician cannot enter to the application on an easy way, like an airport or a chemical plant or a clean room, it's much easier for the technician to have all information available on one screen. Also the centralized information, when we have, for example, many ASDs installed in a huge campus, it's much easier and also cheaper for the technician to have just one connection point, so the RCU and the NCU, to connect to the whole network.
Wow, how impressive! A new device with a nice and comfortable touchscreen. And besides of a nice looking FidesNet networking solution, do you have other new interesting products?
Yeah, for sure. We have an ASD 535 heavy duty. So the ASD 535 heavy duty is better than the ASD 535 because we increased the IP class of the housing to IP66. All PCBs are coated, so no problem when the ASD is used in corrosive environments. And we add also EMC protection for voltage peaks up to 8 kilovolts. Typical use are farming and industrial application.
Cool.
So beside the ASD 535 heavy duty, we have also specialized accessories like the filter, the DFU 911S, special filter, special dust filter with an integrated protection flap, and also it's so easy to use because you don't need a tool to do the maintenance, just 2 clamps, so you can open it.
That's the product you mean?
Yeah. And the filter is open, you can remove the cartridge.
Yeah, very easy.
So the second accessory I like to show you today is a very compact blowout device, the ADB500, made with ABS connections, and its typical use is again industrial dusty environments to keep the pipes clean. So you connect pressurized air and you blow out the pipes.
Very smart.
Yeah. So the product demonstration for the ASD535 Heavy Duty, I can remove the cover and you can see the totally coated mainboard, the PCB mainboard, and you can also see on top is the overvoltage board for the 8 kilovolt peak protection of all the connections. And I can just put it back and put back the housing cover.
And are there any other news that you would like to share with us?
Yeah, I have one last thing to share with you. So we invested a lot in BIM models. We have a huge library, approximately 200 BIM models are available, and also up to 2,200 files in an AutoCAD format, and it's free. So go to our website, www.securiton.com, go to the point service, you have to do a free registration and you have access, and it's really cool to use it.
Perfect. Thank you, Pascal.
So that's it from our side about product news from Securiton.
So if you have any questions to what has been presented, use the following question and answer session. Thank you.
So thanks.